Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the charging cable lock on your PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. So if you looked in your case, this little device right here came with it, and this is a cable lock. This will lock in your charging cable. So here is the little black charging cable that came with the PlayStation 5 DualSense Edge controller. Let's open this up, and there's going to be a little picture in there about your charger. Place it in here just like this. Snap it in place. Make sure it's in the on-lock position. Go to your controller, and this little side right here is going to be kicking up. It needs to be face down. Then connect it to your controller. Then go to the lock position. Now this is attached to my controller, and it's not going to just pop out on me. It's actually locked on there. So if you're playing and you got a really long cord for whatever reason, well, if someone comes by, they're not going to just kick it out by accident. Then you can just unlock it, and then you can remove it easily just like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.